catch basin, catching the water coming through the fence. Also, we're doing a swale here, grades the water that's not catching, because we also have water coming off this yard and off this line that catches the overflow on the water tanks. So you can see right there, 3-inch line coming this way. So all the water coming, everything steps down. The one neighbor's yard is higher than the other, and so on up the hill. So we're getting all this water. So designed to flume here, you can't see, but grades at about 3%. Well, it grades at 3%. And now you can see the grade more. And the swale crosses over to the neighboring property, and that's how this HOA wants the water to drain. Yes, the HOA, not me.